Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel. It's Regina Jane here, and thanks for stopping back by. If you're new here, thank you for finding me, and I hope you can stay a while. So today I filmed a hair tutorial for you guys. I filmed a twist tutorial for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful look over here baby, if you want to see how I achieve this baby girl, stay tuned, watch my video. Okay, so please help your girl out with you. I would love for you guys please help your girl out. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, and comment. I'll try my best to get back to you guys in the comment section, but like time differences, it's really hard to keep up with everyone. So please do like the video and stay tuned. I want to do something about this. Okay cuties, let's get into it. So for this hairstyle, you only need one pack of spring twist hair, a comb, some rubber bands, and a crochet needle. So I didn't buy spring twist hair. I made it myself, excuse me. I made the spring twist hair myself. So if you guys want to see how I made the spring twist hair, just comment down below in the comment section. So all I did was brush out my hair and then divided it up to little sections, and then put the rubber bands on the little sections of hair. And I think I only have 40 braids in my hair, because with this look you don't want a lot of braids. You just want like just enough to not look like you're bald-headed. So just 40 sections, or 40 blocks, or whatever style you want to use is gonna be enough. And then yeah, that's it. I went off camera and I quickly sectioned off my hair into little sections so that you can make it easier. I mean, obviously I'm going to be crocheting my hair. Okay. I just felt like the video was going to be too long if I left in all the pieces that I did off camera, so I decided to do my hair off camera and then just show you guys like how I twist the hair in the front section, because it's better showing you in front than showing you guys at the back, because the angle was going to be like really weird. So this is just how I twist up my hair. I take the crochet needle and then I pass it through my hair, and then I take my my spring twist hair, and then I pull it through with my crochet needle, and then I twist up the hair. Now the way I twist up the hair is, you take the two strands, you twist, but as you twist, you like your, how can I say, you twist the strands of hair in the opposite direction while twisting at the same time. You see how I'm doing here? Just check out how I'm doing it. It's how you do it. Yeah. So guys, if you see that the lighting is a little bit off, it's because of the sun. The lighting change as the sun passes, so please don't mind me and don't come at me in the comments, because you people on YouTube, you guys are feisty as hell. But anyways, so this is just how I'm twisting up the hair, and yeah, like up close, this is how I do it. But anyway guys, if you guys have a better way of doing the spring twist, please recommend some videos to me, because I'm planning on doing this again, because this is my first time ever doing this hairstyle. I've never done it before, and I've realized that the mistake that I've made was that the rubber bands that I used were way too big. They were too big, so it kind of shows when I'm styling my hair. It kind of shows, or I couldn't really close it up with while I was braiding it. So if you want to do this hairstyle, please use very small black rubber bands, so that the look just looks much more neater. Yeah, so yeah. So I cut my hair off camera. I just cut off the ends, not too much of the hair, because I wanted a short look. And then I just add some foam to my head, and then I wrap it up, and then I go to bed. Or if you wanna go out, you can just go out immediately with it, because yeah, I just put on the foam just to seal in the hair, make it look neat and stuff like that. But yeah, this is it guys, pretty easy. Guys, this is the final look. This is the final look. Like, I think this looks really cute. Like, I made this spring twist hair myself, and it's really cute. Like, look at, oh, I did not lay my edges, but wow. Don't mind me, I'm looking in the mirror. I'm looking in my little mirror. Guys, this is my first time ever doing this, and I think it came out well. Like, I just steamed it a little bit, and then I cut off like the little ends that I didn't want, because I didn't want like a long twist. I just wanted small, short, like a bob kind of twist look. Wow, look at me. So if you guys like what I created here, please do like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video. And yeah, like, help a girl out, help a sis out.